Hello my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 11th, which means I am showing you what I made for my embellishments on the 11th card collaboration. This is hosted by Deb Hauk of Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage, and we make decorations to put on our cards every month. And then I follow up and I make cards with these. So anyway, this set that I have here is from the May 2021 My Monthly Hero Card Kit. It comes with the stamps and the dies. And then I cut out, I've got my jellyfish. I've got my seahorses. I've got seashells, fan seashells. And I've got my little Dora, the tang fish. I thought that was too cute to pass up. And a couple of starfish and some coral. I will be making cards with these. And there are other collaborators listed down in my description box. Please make sure to go see what they made. I will see you again soon. Have a wonderful day.